Mapayapang buhay mga channel viewers ng Health, Wealth, and Life Basics. Lately, inireport po na ang Iglesia ni Cristo have transferred the venue for their rally come January 13, 2025 to be held in Quirino Grandstand rather than at Liwasang Bonifacio. Bakit po? Dahil mas spacious po ang Quirino Grandstand at i-prevent po yung traffic sa Monday next week in the heart of Manila. Ang message po ay ibinigay sa National Parks Development Committee, Executive Director si Cel Lorenzana Romero, dahil ang Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ na nag-reserve prior sa Quirino Grandstand for their event, agreed na i-move na lang sa Tuesday to January 14 para i-accommodate po ang request ng INC. Ang NPDC, along with the City Government of Manila and other authorities, had coordinated meetings with the organizers sa week na to iron out the logistical details of the INC's event. At sana hindi na naman daw bigyan ng political color ang adjustment na mangyayari na ito. At they have to also coordinate with the PNP, with the tourism, to develop, preserve, and manage the Rizal Park and other national parks. The Quirino Grandstand and the adjacent Burnham Green are located in the southwestern section of the 58-hectare Rizal Park. The INC earlier announced it will proceed with its National Rally for Peace in January 13, expecting to draw in hundreds of thousands of its members and other religious groups who share the cause in the different parts of the country. Participating members come from National Capital Region, Calabarzon, and Central Luzon to converge supposedly in Liwasang Bonifacio. But the INC-led rallies of the same cause will also be conducted simultaneously in different cities across the country. So, ito po ay sa Legazpi, Ilagan, Puerto Princesa, in Luzon, Cebu, Iloilo, and Bacolod in Visayas, Davao, Pagadian, Butuan, and Cagayan de Oro in Mindanao. The event was organized by the INC purportedly to express their support to the stance of the President of the Philippines opposing the impeachment of BP Sara. In this rally, project po na magkakaroon ng airing ng kaganapan sa Net25 INC's broadcast network on Monday, co-hosted by General Subardiaga and Nelson Lubao, disclosed that the event was supposed to be done at the much bigger Quirino Grandstand to accommodate the expected volume of participants rather than sa Liwasang Bonifacio na earlier nila pre-announced na doon i-hold. Nag-apologize in advance for the inconvenience that the INC-led rally would cause to the public, saying the event would result in heavy traffic in the area. Asked for clarification, Romero said that the INC inquired in December 23 if the Quirino Grandstand would be available on January 13, 2025. Ang Pentecostal Missionary Church of Christ will also supposedly hold their crusade come January 19, but their entrance or ingress will begin by January 13. Kaya iminog po sa January 14. Sana hindi na naman ito bigyan ng mga kulay ng mga tao na yan, hindi na naman pinayagan. So, to accommodate more people, accordingly, it is a better venue since it's bigger and easier to manage and secure. So, yun po. Accordingly, I have talked with cousins who are in the Iglesia ni Cristo. Accordingly naman, may mga uniform naman to classify the members or mga kapatid sa mga Iglesia ni Cristo na yun lang ay may logo ng INC, to separate them from those who would want to participate na hindi naman sila mga member ng INC. So, thank you for listening. We will give you an update. Bukas ay Friday na. And then, Saturday, we will watch for any eventual changes of the event.